This is my costume. I'm a homicidal maniac. They look like everyone else. What's up, everyone? My name is Ashley and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you? How you doing? All right, so basically, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a quick costume. All right, so let's say you don't feel like dressing up. You don't feel like going out and spending money on costumes and costume supplies. This is a costume that you can do with things from your wardrobe. And as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a Wednesday Addams costume. And I'm already kind of halfway there. All right. So I have this black shirt. I have my hair split in two. But if you want to take it a step further, girl, grab your wig, comb it out, and braid it in two long ponies, which I may do that, but right now I'm not going to do it. So you can also go ahead and apply foundation all over your face to make yourself super duper duper pale, but my foundations match my skin tone and I don't have any powders that's lighter than my face. So because we know Wednesday Addams and all them, they don't like the sunlight, they don't like to do anything that's like happy or whatever. They're just, you know, she's like my spirit, like my spirit animal. She's not a spirit animal. It's like I relate to her because I'm like this all the time. Like, yeah, this is me. So yeah, let's get. This is really an easy costume and I don't even know why I'm just sitting here talking. But yeah. For the makeup, I'm not even going to apply any foundation because I don't mind imperfections. But I am going to be applying black lipstick to give this costume a little flair. So first things first, you're gonna want to line your lips with, oh, this is a magnifying mirror times 10. I gotta close one eye. Oh, it's not, is it on straight? I can't see. I'm gonna do it off this because this thing zoom in extra good. Like, y'all see that? So you can either use a lip liner or a lipstick. I'm using a lipstick.
And we're just gonna go ahead and put the black lipstick on.
We call us Tennessee around here between Norman and the West End. We call this here a little 20 twin nigga. Name that movie. I don't know. Should I put that wig on? Why not? We can be like this. Alright, so get your black lipstick, which you can get from Walmart, Dollar Tree, Five Below. And then I opted for a wig because a wig will just kind of bring the outfit together more. And you can actually get these wigs from Walmart for like $5, for under $9. So go to Walmart, get a black wig. It may already come braided. But yeah, this Halloween is the only day where wigs can look wiggy, so embrace it. I hate everything. Why should I fear the dark when the mask people wear in the sun are more terrifying? I don't hate you. I'm just not necessarily excited about your existence.